Indian deep fried flatbreads which are made from different kinds of flour. But today for the first time we will show you how to make these puris from potatoes at Dubai's famous Carnival by Tresind, where executive chef Vinu Ravindran will show us his modern touch to this simple yet homely Indian dish.
So here we are making a puri with potato. So it's a gluten-free puri. Here we have 100 grams of potato flakes, 1 gram of baking soda, potato starch. As I said, it will look something similar to corn flour. We have 50 grams of corn starch, a bit of salt. Just mix all the dry ingredients together. So for 100 grams of potato flakes, we are adding 200 grams of water. Let's make a dough out of it. So we leave this for half an hour to rest. Just cover it with a wet cloth. The dough is rested well for half an hour and it's very smooth now. Now we can roll it out, cut it into round pieces, then we can deep fry them. The puri came out very good. Now we have to make a accompaniment for it. So the next one we will make a sabzi, that is potato curry, a dry preparation. We'll do that next. Some ghee, few pinch of cumin seeds. Into it we'll add some green chili, bit of ginger. Just mix them well. Add the tomato, chili powder, not too much. A pinch of turmeric, some boiled potato which is cut it into small pieces. Now we have to add some salt, a pinch of sugar just to balance the flavor, a pinch of chaat masala, a pinch of cumin powder, coriander leaf that will go on top, and a dash of lemon juice. So our puri is ready, potato curry is ready. Now we have to make mango pulp. We call this amras. Amras is basically mango pulp. Here we have few other ingredients to add on to the mango. Very easy to make. Peel the mango, remove the seed, and you have to make a puree out of it. So you have the pulp. Add a bit of probably 2 tablespoons of 3 tablespoons of milk, condensed milk. So mix it up. Here we have some saffron. So I just soaked the saffron in warm water. So it's a very strong decoction of saffron. We add that. Also we'll be adding a pinch of green cardamom powder. And we have a very fragrant mango pulp ready. We will start plating the food now. We are using a thali. In a thali we will be serving all the accompaniments and the puri all together. So I'll start plating it now. So this is the potato. Here we have the amras or mango pulp. Also you can serve some pickle. So here I have some carrot pickle, and finally the puri. So our second dish is ready, the potato puri with curry, mango pulp and achar. So please enjoy.
Well, thank you so much, Chef. This was indeed an interesting recipe. I haven't tried potato puris before, so I'm surely going to give this one a try. I hope you guys like watching this video as well. Please do let us know in the comments below. Until then, this is me, Bianca Saurashri. Happy cooking!